Righto, here we are on Raptor 2. We're just coming up on a coal vessel. Greg's had full intentions of boarding. Jason's gone up.
Are too scared to climb underwater.
Jason's gone up to man the 50 cal. I'm just going to go out on the deck and we'll have a good look at this vessel.
What's the name of it? Chinese one?
Ten Jun Maru. Japanese. This is just awesome stuff here. We're coming into the bow of the Ten Jun Maru. There's a lot of wind blowing. That's what it's like in the back of a ship. Flying the Australian flag. Big vessel. We're coming through some bow waves here now. So I'll try and get us out of the wind. Sorry about the rocking and rolling, folks. I'll try and get us over here. Obviously an empty vessel. Greg may be surveying this one to put some coal in it. Trying to get us down now. We've got the bow wave happening here. That's just awesome. Look at that. The anchors there. There you have it. This is what we do out here. Besides catching fish and watching whales, we also look at and stalk coal ships.